Hi everyone, this is teacher Jenna from Basic English Camp, and for today we're going to talk about the second part of the speech, which is pronouns. Let's start.
What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that replaces the nouns. So we usually hear this kind of pronouns which are I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. So let's go to the next video, which I will give you some examples. First example, they were using crayons. So the pronoun here is they. Next, she likes to dance. She, so it means this is a girl or a woman. Next, I like to learn about the universe, so it means you are referring to yourself. Next, he is a doctor, so it means this is a man who is a doctor. Next, her dress is beautiful, so it means you are referring to a girl or a woman whose dress is beautiful.
Just to add some information about pronouns, we have different types of pronouns. We have subject pronouns, which is the commonly used pronoun, and these are the examples that I gave you earlier. We also have object pronouns, possessive adjective, and possessive pronouns. So I will try to discuss this on my next videos. And that's it. It's easy, right? So we finished 2 parts of the speech, which is nouns and pronouns. So we still have 6 more parts of the speech to go. So see you on my next video. Bye-bye!